AI isn't just the future. It's already here, shaping the way we create and build. For media, film, and print artists and creators across the world, AI has become a transformative tool that can ignite new possibilities and ideas into limitless achievements. A new tool will not replace creativity or talent. When used properly, it can amplify it. AI allows us to enhance our vision, work smarter, and achieve our goals faster. The speed of AI's evolution is staggering, soon distinguishing between reality and AI-generated content will be nearly impossible. You are listening to an AI-generated clone of my voice. The videos, images, and music are all AI-generated. This technology is here to stay, with access to multiple open-source innovations. The AI genie is on a creative frenzy, and there's no turning back. This creative application doesn't replace our vision, but partners with it. Faster workflows, enhanced storytelling and content, as vibrant and dynamic as our imaginations. The possibilities are endless. If you consider yourself to be a creator or in business of any type, you will need to adapt and learn this new technology.